Sedona. It was a little bit of a rough, rocky ride to get here, I cannot lie. My mom said the worst part of flying is the first 3 minutes the plane takes off and the last 3 minutes that the plane lands. It was like the scariest thing. Almost passed out.
4, 7, 8.
The landing got fucked up. 4, 7, 8. There's nothing you can do.
The plane was landing. We saw the ground. Like it was probably 5 feet under us. I'm not even kidding. And then all of a sudden, it takes back up, goes back up, high up. We were really praying in that moment, but thankfully we landed. It was all good. We stopped at the cutest coffee shop. It was delicious. We have a lot of fun things planned for this trip. If you guys know me, my family vacations are one of the most important things to me. Let's see the outfit.
Okay, NY. Same shoes, same brand, and this, I don't know, Macy.
Macy's, cute. Going to the store to grab some groceries. This is our little car. We're using the map to get to the store.
No nie, weź przecisz rzetelnie, nie będziesz kurwa mapem.
Guys, we can get there using the map.
Okay.
I think. What do you got there? What is that?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Is it good?
It's very good. Tastes jak mięso.
Like miso. I don't know if I want.
Like pulled.
Ow, ow, ow.
This tastes like pulled pork.
That's kind of disgusting.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Okay, good.
No shot.
I can't. Scan these two, see which one's better. Oh, okay, no, this one. Let's see, might say too caloric or something now. Additives. Okay. We're in this natural store, Natural Groceries. When you walk in, you get this whiff of just, I love it. And they were all like, we're not going to the natural store. The prices are going to be absurd. It's cheaper here than the other store we went to. And they have all of my favorite things. Thank you for your services. This is the first trip that I was extremely intentional with the way that I packed. I picked 4 day outfits, 4 night outfits, 3 hiking outfits, and 4 workout outfits. I finished packing. I'll show you guys how I put everything away. Here I have my hiking outfits. Tell the vlog where we're going and what we're doing.
I don't know. Idziemy na hiking.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited for?
We're hiking.
Mr. Raydon is shy today.
So we're going on a Jeep tour. It's off-roading Jeeps. Powiedz, ahoj, przygodo!
Ahoj! Łyse góry!
Thank you.
Oh, stop.
Rock, paper, scissors on camera. One time, one and done. Winner is winner. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, 2 out of 3. Nope. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Winners
You're
win,
scared.
my guy.
Because you're scared. You're scared.
You said one time.
Come on, come on. Yeah, 1 time, 2 out of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom. Tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fudge! Me and Mom have matching shoes, matching hiking shoes. You have to take a shuttle to get here, but the man let us in. He was very nice. Gotta go up all the way to the top. Going up is the easy part. Going down is gonna be a little tricky dicky. Nie musisz biegać.
Go mama, go!
Ej, no, nie płynie. Oh yeah. This is the most beautiful tree I've seen. It's so smooth too. Mia, come touch this tree. Touch it from this side. Feel how smooth it is. Isn't it? Whoa. Wow.
Dziecko, co ty robisz? Co ty robisz?
I'm not gonna lie, it's totally scary when it's windy as shit.
That right there is a cliff. So we gotta get out of here. That was really fun though. That was a good hike, I would say.
Stop
Quick.
recording, bro. What, like, look where we are, my guy.
Hey, you're right. You're right. We made it down. We were all the way up there. Not the top. Actually, maybe like in the middle there somewhere, because it's higher. It's higher than that first. It's higher than this first level. It's like a little higher.
All the way up the peaky shit over there.
Yeah, like right over here. And it was a very fun hike. I know, it was a good stuff. Stopping for some coffee. I'm so excited.
Is that it for you guys? Alright, you can cash your card.
Jedźże ty kurwa idiot pierdolony chuju kurwa ty.
Oh my god.
Captured on film. Pan the camera to Big Art.
Tata, what do you have to
Words of
say for
wisdom.
yourself?
Ale nagrałeś to?
I was gonna update the vlog on my coffee,
Turn left onto Soldiers Pass Road.
but I think that was better. First stop. There's water? Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right there. Oh, is that the first one up there? They're giving up, but I think we're gonna try to keep going up.
She gave up.
No, I didn't.
Don't fucking lie. You
I
always
made
do
a
this.
smarter choice. Coming! We didn't go through like where you had to crawl on your fours all the way, and there was like a drop that was like probably
Bro, the crawling space
40
was
feet.
this big, bro. There's
no, it was not. Show the actual size of the crawl.
this big.
It was not that big.
You think it was as big as your
No,
body?
it was
this
double
big.
double the size of your
I just got
body.
a little frightened.
I took a little bit of a different route than my family. I'm gonna meet them in a second, but guys. Wow. Now we're going to the sliding rocks, which I'm kind of most excited for. I like the hikes, but I'm more in touch with water, nature type stuff, so I'm excited to do that. Okay, see you there. Okay, we found an area where there's no people. This is our little home base. Mama and Miha are still gonna go explore that way, but I think this is perfect. Got a little waterfall over here, and then we're gonna jump from those. I think it's deep enough. So I'm gonna go swim and see how the water feels. It's so chilly. I think what I have to do is just run in and jump. Now that I'm out of it, it feels fine. Like I feel fine, but it literally is so cold. I just scaled a literal canyon, I think they're called. I don't know if it's a canyon or a mountain, guys. I don't know. But I just scaled it and I fell off. And now Miho is going to see if he can do it. He's going higher than I went high. I tried just to scale the bottom there. He's going up top, which I think is probably an easier route. Because down there, you see where it kind of like cuts off right there? Ja bym tam też wyszła. Okay, watch, I will do it. I know, but it's harder to go there. I want to see if you could do that. I could do that, bro. Okay, watch. Want to bet?
Oczywiście, żebyś mogła, ale nie pójdziesz.
Yes, I will.
No.
Yes.
Słuchaj.
I am long enough. I could do it.
Natalia, I touched the bottom. You can't jump from there. I touched the bottom. You have to go a little lower and then jump. She's in a predicament because you touched the bottom down there where I jumped. And you have to aim because there's a... I know. I was a little lower when I jumped. Alright, bro, I'm coming up there then.
We both jumped off. They doubted me, but I showed them who's boss. They all said I couldn't do it, but I did it, and I went even higher.
Whoa.
Did I not go higher than you the first
But
time?
then I went up there.
Yeah, I know.
I met you.
With some help from his sis.
Bro, come on, man. Stop catching. Fishing.
This way! Tata, masz buty rozwiązane! Okay, this part's gonna be a little tricky, I think, if I remember correctly, to not fall into the water. Whoa. This is definitely my favorite part of the whole vacation. Tata, uważaj, tam jest slippery! We are at Healthy Picasso's Italian Kitchen, and it's really cool because this has a whole vegan menu too. Everything I think is gluten-free, so that's... I forgot to record.